Hello everyone, welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. We ran in there today just for a couple things, mainly to get like some Christmassy kind of stuff. And I hope you all are having a blessed day today. I surely am. I hope you guys are too. But we found some Christmas decorations for our porch. I picked up the Santa hat. It says Merry Christmas in red. Now I picked up the green Christmas tree. I'll have pictures of these too. Camera angle's not that great. And I did get a red and green ornament. And then the white and red candy cane. I love the Dollar Tree for holiday themed anything, so these were awesome finds. Some fun food items. We did get some of these Junior Mint Peppermint Crunch candies. So one box of those. Cannot wait to try those. My store did not have the peppermint bark. I was so excited to find some of that, but next time. And then I did find the 7-ounce box of cheese nips. And this makes for a really easy and quick snack for Connor. And I love this kind of stuff for the car. So along the lines of like Christmassy stuff, I had to get this because I love Harry Potter. And this is just one of their little drink cups. And if you watched my vlog the other day, you'll know that I just busted my favorite fall tumbler. So I got a new Christmas one instead. But it says up to snow good. So if you're a fan of Harry Potter, up to no good. So yes, I picked up that cup and I love it. I'm such a fan of green, so I am in love with this cup. And then I did pick Connor up these fleece gloves, and they're just the kids' fleece gloves. But they are really cute, so grab those. And also in the Christmassy stuff, I grabbed these crew socks, and if it's a 5 to 9 shoe size, and they are so adorable print, and they have like this cute llama on them. How cute are these? So adorable. I picked these up for myself. Okay, moving on. I did find I must have misplaced this one, but I did get the black one too that said let be and let God, and that was black with the same floral print. And then they are like little stand-up kind of decorations, and this one says grateful, thankful, and blessed. And yeah, I'll have to look for that black one that I had. I don't know what happened to it. It's probably still in the car, I guess. And then for my mom, I did print her out some wedding pictures, and a couple pictures of all the kids together. And so I got this really nice silver frame, and it's a 5x7. And then I got the double 4x6 frame, and the frame just looks like that. So really nice. Those are paired together really nice, and I just wanted to get that something nice for her to go with her pictures. And the Dollar Tree typically has a lot of nice frames and stuff, so those up for her. And I needed some stuff in the stationery aisle for packing and things like that. I did get the melon tape from Jot brand. I needed this for some packages, so I picked that up. And then I also picked up the 3-pack legal pads, and these are the 5" by 8". And mainly I got these because I needed something to write review down on. I like smaller tablets for that, and maybe lists and things like that. I have tons of papers, but I just thought these would work really well for reviewing kind of purposes. That's exactly what I got them for. But you get 120 sheets total. You get 3 40-sheet pads, and you can rip them off if you choose. I probably won't, but I just needed those. And then some beauty finds, and this will be it for the Dollar Tree. But I found this really cute pencil case, and I thought because it's very small and kind of slender that I'm just going to use this for a makeup bag for my purse, and I'm going to put my glosses in it, my mirror, you know, any kind of stuff like that. And I just love that. How beautiful. So I'm happy I found that. And then for my makeup brushes, I'm going to try this soap out, the Balera Vanilla Sugar plus Raspberry plant-based soap, and it's cleansing and purifying for all skin types. I'm not using this for my body, like I said. I am going to use this for my makeup brushes. This smells fantastic through the packaging, and I cannot wait to give this a try. I hope it does a really good job on my makeup brushes, because I don't want to pay $7 for the brush cleaner that I had been using. I was really bummed that last month I couldn't find the Cutex hand creams, and today I found all of them, but I just picked up the hand cream because that's the only one I was interested in, and it's the hand and cuticle cream, all-in-one 24-hour hydration. It's unscented formula, 2.7 fluid ounces, and honestly I probably should have grabbed 2, but I'm excited to dive into using that hand cream. They had 2 different foot creams as well. And then today I also found the Pure Ice nail treatments and nail polishes. But I was mainly, because I do have several Pure Ice polishes already, but I was mainly into purchasing the treatments. So this is the Fixer Upper Cuticle Oil and the High Shine Top Coat. Okay, we all know that these retail for $2 to $2.50 at Walmart, 50 cents a piece at DollarTree. 2 for $1. You cannot beat that. And then the last one that I picked up is the High Shine Top Coat. So I did pick up 2 of those. Hopefully I really like it. And I wanted the base coat, the bottom line base coat. So I thought that was a really awesome find. They had tons of shades to choose from, but I'm excited to try these treatments out. And that's all I got from the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree videos. Check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links. Stay tuned for additional content. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.